Hello dear friends, a very warm welcome to Goel's Coding Academy. This Python coding session presents an introduction to a very common statistical measure that is called as mean and its computation using Python coding.
Mean is one of the most common and basic statistical measure of a data series. Estimation of mean is very often used in day-to-day calculations. For example, average of exam marks, average of monthly expenses, and there may be many more examples where mean is used to estimate the data trends. Let's define mean. Mean is defined as the ratio of sum of data and number of data. Symbolically, mean is represented by a Greek letter called mu. To understand mean numerically, let's take an example. Say the data series is 2, 5, 6, 7. So clearly number of data elements in this series is 4 and sum of data is equal to 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7, that is equal to 20. Therefore, mean is calculated as sum of data divided by number of data, that is 20 upon 4 is equal to 5. Therefore, we can say that mean of this data series, that is 2, 5, 6 and 7 is equal to 5. Now, let's do Python coding to compute mean. There are different ways to compute mean. Some of them are listed below. Without using Python library, using function, and using Python library.
Let's start coding for mean computation. For this, first of all, we need to declare an array of elements like this. We are populating this array with the elements like 2, 5, 6, and 7. After declaring the array, we need to calculate the length of this data array. This is calculated using the function len. So, using function len, n will hold the number of data elements over here like 4. After that, we need to calculate the sum of elements. So for that, first of all, we will initialize a variable sum as 0. Now to calculate the sum of all the elements of the data array, we will use a for loop. A for loop is initialized using an iterative variable, say I, and that will go up to n. The format of for loop is like this. Here we are using a range function that will go from 0 to n, where n is the number of elements in the data array. So this is the format of the for loop. So sum will be calculated like this. Sum equals sum plus data I, where I will denote the ith element in the data array. So when this for loop will be over, the sum of elements will be in some variable. So mean will be calculated like this. Mean equals sum on n. To print this mean, we will use a print command like this. Mean equals percentage f. F is because the mean is basically floating value. Now we will run this code by clicking on the run tab. You can see the result in the right hand side. It is coming out to be 5.000000. So here you can see the value is up to decimal 6 place. To restrict this up to 2 place or 3 place, we will use another command like this. Mean equals say percentage 0.2 f. This will restrict the mean value to a decimal place of 2. Now again we will run this command. You can see over here the difference between the two commands. So in the first mean, it is 5.000000, and in the second mean, it is 5.00. So therefore, we are able to restrict the display of mean up to decimal second place. Now we will compute mean using function. For that, we need to define a function named calculate mean, like that. And we need to pass a data array as an argument, and we are calling it as a d, small d. Again, over here, we need to calculate the length of the data array main, like this. And again, we will initialize a variable sum equal to 0. And now again, we will use a for loop to calculate the sum of elements of the data array D. This is the format as we have used earlier. Sum equals sum plus di. So here we will use di because d is the element that has been passed from the calling function. So mean is now calculated again equals sum divided by n, and this value is returned to the calling function like this. Now we will call this function. Say first of all we need to declare a variable data element of values 2, 5, 6 and 7, and now I am calling this calculate mean, which will return me the value of mean. So now I will print out the value of mean that has been written from the function calculate mean. You can see like this. Now I will run this code. Here you can see again the value is 5 that has been written from the calling function calculate mean. If I increase the value of data array, say for example I add another variable value or 6.5 like this, so it will again give me updated value of mean like this. So here now you can see 5.78. So we don't need to worry about the length of the data array. The function len, it is taking care of the length of the array. So we need to just repopulate the data array by different values or same value or whatever desired values. Thank you.